Ned Nwoko 2027 re-election bid don suffer major blow as 7 APC local government chairmen distance themselves from his endorsement. Welcome, country people, to Senok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Local government chairmen of the All Progressives Congress (APC) for Delta North don distance themselves from the rumoured endorsement of Senator Ned Nwoko for a second term for office. For one joint statement wey dem issue by the Forum of APC chairmen from the 7 local government areas for the Senatorial District, the group don firmly declare say dem no get hand for the purported endorsement of Senator Ned Nwoko for second term for office. Dem emphasize say e no reflect the official position of the party grassroots leadership. Among the chairmen wey sign the statement na Nobert Chukwudimma Aniocha South, Hilary Ibude Ika South, Austin Nnabuife Oshimili North, Dada Okolo Oshimili South, and Chief Oputa Knis Ndokwa East. They talk say dem no dey involved for the purported endorsement of Senator Nwoko for second term, whether by some ward chairmen or during the Delta North APC stakeholders meeting. The chairman come stress say such declaration make dem ignore am as dem no align with the collective decision of the APC structures at the local level. They reaffirm the party commitment to internal democracy and due process. They insist say any aspirant for the Senate, House of Representatives, or State Assembly must actively contribute to strengthen the party and prepare for transparent and competitive primaries. According to how they put am, as a party guided by internal democracy and due process, anyone interested in contesting for senatorial, House of Representatives, or Assembly positions must work to build the party and prepare for free, fair, and credible primaries. The statement come hard. The forum come urge party members and the general public make dem discountenance any unofficial endorsements, and they can repeat the party unity and readiness to secure victory for 2027 elections. For one strategic move to consolidate leadership and direction, the chairman also called the Deputy Governor of Delta State, when he hold the highest ranking political office from Delta North, make he take the lead to unite the party ahead of the next general election. They say they call on all party faithful and the public to disregard any unauthorized endorsement as APC Delta North remain focused, disciplined, and credible. Country people, this na the statement from the All Progressives Congress local government chairman. No forget say this na the people when they dey PDP before their defection, courtesy of Governor Oberewori, where all of them come move to the All Progressives Congress. And it come be like say one leadership crisis one day for the party now, as Delta North come dey drag who go be the leader of the party. The deputy governor don talk say the tradition right from the time of Ibori na for the deputy governor to lead the party for Delta North, and as such na him suppose to take that leadership. But e be like say Senator Ned Nwoko camp dey say deputy governor no be for Delta North, na for the entire state. But the senator na dey represent Delta North, and so e dey only proper for the senator to chair the leadership of Delta North. This one don dey cause division already, and that na why this rebuter come dey come, since the group who met with the senator dey endorse am. Na to show say the house no be one. This other group now, wey their loyalty dey to the deputy governor, dem don come out to say dem no be part of that endorsement. And make una no forget wetin Oyibo talk. Na Bible even talk am, say a house divided against itself cannot stand. So if the PDP defectors, when e don enter the All Progressive Congress, no agree to work together, wetin e go amount to? No be gallant lose they go lose for election. So that na why for one of our previous reports, we talk am say if politicians dey when e go fit take the gauntlet go PDP and to contest for all elective positions, when the former PDP members who are now APC people go contest, they go see say they go beat them hands down for election. Because Delta State for over 20 years now na People's Democratic Party state. And so this APC arrangement, e no resonate well with many of them. And these politicians, when e no dey quick dey learn their lessons, don dey take the will of the electorate for granted. That na why even when 2027 never near, they don dey fight themselves. Country people, how una see this development? If you get anything to tell us, put them for the comment section.